Hey everyone, it's Alessandro Bruxo from Home Chef Seattle. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a braided babka brioche bread with Nutella. The bread is super soft with layers that pull apart, filled with creamy hazelnut spread. I'm sure you're going to love it. Let's get started. Start with 1 cup of lukewarm milk. Then add 1 packet of active dry yeast, 1/4 ounce. Mix it and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes to activate. Add 3 cups of bread flour to the bowl of a mixer. 2 tablespoons of sugar. And 1 teaspoon of salt. Start first with a flat beater and beat it at low speed. Then measure 8 tablespoons of softened room temperature butter and add it to the flour. Beat it for a few minutes to form a crumble. Next, beat 3 whole eggs and add to the flour. Also add the yeast and milk mixture. That should be well activated and foamy. Once it starts to combine, remove the flat beater and replace it with a dough hook. Start beating the dough at low speed first, then increase it and beat it for about 10 minutes. The dough will be soft and still sticky. Then, flour a working surface and transfer the dough. Fold it into itself a few times and shape it into a ball. Transfer the dough to a large bowl, cover it, and let it rest until doubled in size, about 2 hours. I usually warm up my oven to a low 130 Fahrenheit and place the dough inside to speed up the process. Once your dough has doubled in size, transfer it to a working surface with some flour and divide it in 2 equal pieces. Then, using your fingers, shape each half into a not too thin rectangle. Then, cover the dough with a layer of Nutella or your favorite hazelnut spread. Then, roll it up. And repeat the process with the other half. Cut each roll in half lengthwise. Turn each piece with the Nutella facing up and twist it over each other, braiding it like so. Oil 2 loaf bread pans and transfer the braids inside. Then cover it with plastic film and let it rest for 1 hour. It should about double in size. Make an egg wash with 1 egg yolk and 1 or 2 tablespoons of water. Then lightly brush it over the loaf parts that do not have the Nutella. Then bake it in a preheated oven at 375 Fahrenheit, 190 Celsius for 25 minutes. The bread should be nice and golden brown when ready. And the Nutella Babka Brioche is done. Let it cool slightly and remove it from the pan. This babka is super soft with layers that pull apart and creamy Nutella inside. And now for a taste test. All I'm hoping for is a thumbs up. And there it is. My kids love this bread. I hope you have enjoyed it too. Please don't forget to like it, leave a comment, and subscribe for more recipes to come. Thank you for watching.